Ladies, leave your man at home. 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 I'm getting Hey guys, so gonna be doing mini braids. Oh my god. But I want to stretch my hair first because I want them to be elongated. So I'm gonna start off. This is Sunday night. I'm gonna do them tomorrow, Monday, all day, however long they take. But I'm gonna stretch it tonight, heatless. So this is some conditioner that I made myself. Take about that much, and I'm gonna put it around the whole section. It's just a light leave-in conditioner, just to help keep my hair moisturized.
You need some of this?
Yeah. Hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Good. Thank you.
Cool.
Ladies, leave your my butter, and I just like to seal in my moisture while my hair is wet. I just feel my hair gets optimal moisture. Well, it does get optimal moisture when it's wet. That's just like common sense, right? So I'm going to put my butter on my scalp like I always do, further detangle my tangle teaser. I'm back. So I let my hair set overnight in these braids. They're still, some of them are still a little damp, especially down the ones down here. Wondering if I should do the front first, do the back. I feel like I should do the back first, but the back is still kind of damp, like really damp. So I might just go through with the blow dryer, like on the cool setting. But all right, so I got this idea from a girl named Jakaria here on YouTube. I'll leave her channel and or video linked in my description box for you guys to see what I got the inspiration from. But yeah, she did some mini braids and they looked really good, and her hair kind of reminds me of my hair. So I was like, yeah. And I think our hair is like the same shape and the same length, so I was like, yeah, I'm about to do that. So yeah, let's get started. Ladies, leave your man at home. The club is full of ballers and their pockets full grown. And all you fellas, leave your girl with her friends, cause it's 11:30 and the club is jumping. Ladies, leave your man at home. The club is full of ballers and their pockets full grown. And all you fellas, leave your girl with her friends, cause it's 11:30 and the club is jumping. I'm gonna braid this. It's gonna be so tiny. Oh my god. So I'm taking the Talia YG curly curl cream. Probably gonna take about that much, just a little bit. Put it in my fingers and just add it for more moisture. And then I'm gonna braid.
11:30 and your club is jumping. Oh, yeah. The ballers in it. Oh, fellas, leave your girl with a friend. Oh, yeah. Sexy women to the
Alright guys, so I did half of my hair. It's been 2 hours. It wasn't as long as I thought it might take. I thought this whole process might take like 7 hours, but it seems like it might take, the back took 2 hours. The front will probably take about, I don't know, an hour and a half to 2 hours, since the front is not as thick as the back. Or maybe it is, I don't know. But so how it's looking. I like it. It is scalpy, but I knew that was gonna happen because it's braids, and braids are always tighter than like twists and whatnot. But I like it. It looks good. It's elongated, so I'm feeling it, and my ends look really good and curled, and it's sitting on my shoulders. I like that. And yeah, it's looking good. So yeah, I'm gonna take a break. Like, I'm gonna walk my dog, I'm gonna go sit down, maybe eat something for like, I don't know, 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna get right back to it. So